Hi everyone. So today the enterprise demands a completely different approach to a software development lifecycle. For the faster time to market, we need to be more agile and work with various DevOps constructs. Doing this is not so easy, especially when you are working with complex enterprise applications where they are forced to release features quickly, and that's why our tool, the Kubernetes Automation Studio, is designed.
So today we are going to present you one of the best and a trending software testing tool, that is the Geometry Automation Studio. Me and my friend Narendra Babu are going to present you about this Geometry Automation Studio. Coming to the overview of this studio, the Geometry Automation Studio offers a scalable test automation that enables an easy transition from manual to automated testing. It supports multiple platform automated testing across web services, mobile devices, PC, etc. This QAS also uses open source test automation frameworks such as Selenium and APM to bring structure, efficiency, and reusability. Some of the products offered by this Qmetry are the Qmetry Digital Quality Platform, Qmetry Test Management, Qmetry Automation Studio, Qmetry Test Management for Jira.
Some of the solutions offered by Kubernetes Automation Studio are the continuous integration, continuous testing, shift left quality, exploratory testing, function and regression testing, quality analysis, Zephyr to QTM4G migration.
Some of the qualities offered by the Qmetry Test Management, they are author, manage, execute test cases with a speed and agility. Version control lets you to create a retained versions of your test assets. Integrations with the platforms like Jira, Jenkins, Bamboo, TestNG, and more.
It has complete access to all test scenarios from within the story. We have comprehensive test coverage and end-to-end traceability. It has test automation in Agile and DevOps.
Fully customizable and configurable at every level in Qmetry. It has a easy cloning, autofill, and auto suggest of test runs, and it has easy migration and import export capability. Coming to the Qmetry Studio features, it has a unique tool for UI and visual component validation via automated testing. It adheres to principles of the BDD and TDD to support everyone in the organization, and it has streamlines and auto repair objects with a self-healing mode.
Headless execution ensures a faster execution of tests, comprehensive reports, and dashboards for insightful informed automation testing. Web recordings of sessions are enabled with Chrome add-ons and conversions of steps to automated scenarios. The key features offered by Kubernetes Automation Framework are the Selenium-driven automated testing. It enables web and mobile testing automation, which locally runs in sorry, the Selenium-driven automated testing, web and mobile test automation, which runs locally or in cloud with automated support for multilingual applications, detailed reporting and trending and root cause analysis, automated screen captures, continuous integration with Jenkins and others.
Coming to the mobile automation quality, it has a native, hybrid, and a mobile web. Manually testing and variation in processes is evident in execution on real mobile devices in the cloud and on premise. Behavior driven development, begin automation within early agile cycle and increase collaboration with the stakeholders. Visual and behavior driven scripting.
The Kubernetes Automation Studio offers features like a test recorder. A test recorder allows user to record test cases and create test suites. It allows user to update recorded test cases, and execute all test cases or test suits at once. Test recorder generates the code based on the recordings and allows user to export the code to CI/CD.
The next feature is Object Spy. The Object Spy provides browser view for finding or validating the element locators. It records an element and adds it in the .loc file, which is stored in this Geometry Studio, and one can later access it for the test cases.
Test data files. Geometry Automation Studio allows user to import or create a test data file that is to be used against any data-driven test case.
The next important feature is the self-healing. When an execution is done within the self-healing mode, the QAS repairs the scripts automatically when a web element or any property of the web element gets changed. That minimizes the manual efforts of the written or modifying the test cases.
Multi-platform automation. Geometry Automation Studio allows user to have automation of multiple platforms in a single project that enables user to automate a complex flow of actions over the web and verify those actions on the Android app or through web services.
The next feature is the headless execution. Users who have Windows, Mac, or Linux can access this geometry automation with no restriction. The QAS CLI improves the speed and performance, browserless setups, and helps you multitasking.
Test authoring. Sophisticated IDE for test automation. With Geometry Automation Studio, you can build on top of Selenium, APM, and multiple other frameworks. Geometry offers the ability to develop and test on all platforms. Multiple programming language support, code-driven test, ready-to-use templates for different frameworks, re- record test case, and execute automation suite locally or on cloud.
Text execution. Geometry Automation Studio provides execution of single or multiple test suites within a single go. It has a command line execution which ensures quick and efficient testing in the headless mode. It has enhanced support for Chrome, Firefox, and Edge to execute a pre-recorded test cases. Speedy execution of project in headless mode through Windows or Mac or Linux, and auto repairs test cases in self-healing mode to increase stability of the test, saving maintenance time and the cost.
These are some of the integrations with Geometry Automation Framework. You can integrate open source tools like APM and Selenium. You can integrate continuous integrated systems like Hudson, Jenkins, Bamboo, and TeamCity.
Some of the team management platforms like HP ALM, Rally, and AP Test, and mobile device cloud solutions like Perfecto and Sauce Labs.
The key benefits offered by Geometry Automation Framework are the reusable test assets with highly maintainable and repeatable test that utilize reusable test assets, proper modularity and semantic structure, increased collaboration with manual testers, developers, and business or project owners, data-driven testing, run a single test case against multiple test datasets provided through CSV, XML, JSON, Microsoft Excel, or your own database. Unified scripting across multiple platforms, the right tool for web, mobile, including native, hybrid, and mobile web, and web service test automation solutions.
So overall, on coming to the summary of the benefits offered by the Geometry Automation Studio, it has well suited for the microservices type of applications and unique tool for UI and visual component validation, streamline object spying, adheres to the principles of the PDD, reduce maintenance cost and time of with self-healing mode, and faster execution in headless mode.
Dell Cognizant Unity SurveyMonkey are some of the customers that trust Qmetry. And thank you to one and all who have listened to this presentation.